Hi everyone, we're going to make this colorful flower. So we are using two different type of papers, purple and yellow. Make multiple cuts on both of them. Roll both of them on these green sticks using double-sided tape. Now curl the petals like this. Now take green craft paper, cut the leaves and paste all of them, and look, your colorful flowers are ready. Going to make this beautiful tulip flower bouquet. So cut the shape of the tulip flower, make 8 such pieces and paste all of them one after another like this. It will give a 3D look. Now we are going to paste this green stick using glue. Paste it properly. Now cut the leaf of the flower using green craft paper. Paste all of them together, and we are going to make the bouquet using purple craft paper, and it's done. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful sunflower. So cut the upper portion of the paper cup, make multiple cuts, press it and curl all the petals. Now draw its big eyes, its smiley face. Now roll a green stick, cut the leaf of the flower, paste all of them together, and look, your colorful flowers are ready. Let's make colorful flowers using craft paper. We are going to fold this red craft paper and make a triangular shape. Now fold it again and make a shape like this. Now we are going to open it and tuck it inside. Now do the same from other side as well. Tuck it inside. Now we are going to fold it from its corners like this. Turn the paper and do the same from this side as well. After this, we are going to curl all the petals. Now roll green craft paper, make a stick, and we are going to roll it around this mini yellow craft paper, and then make multiple cuts and curl them as well. Put all of them like we are doing here. Paste the leaves, and look, your flower is ready. Curl the leaves as well. You can make more such colorful flowers like this. We are going to make these colorful flowers using tissue paper. So cut small pieces of tissue paper, fold it like this, curl the edges. Now we are going to color the edges like this. You can use different colors and make more such pieces. Now we are going to tuck all of them inside this clay ball using a pointy object. Now cut the leaf and sepal of the flower like this using green craft paper, and we are going to paste it like this. Curl it as well. After this, we are going to paste the flower inside it. Now we are going to fold another green paper and cut the leaf like this. Now we are going to paste all of them together on this green stick. You can make more such colorful flowers like this, and it's ready. Let's make this beautiful heart-shaped flower. So cut this heart from this red craft paper. Similar way, we are going to cut different heart shape from colorful craft paper. We are cutting 6 such papers and paste all of them one after another. Finally paste them on this green stick. Now cut the leaf by cutting this green craft paper here, and we are going to draw lines on it as well. Paste all of them like we are doing here, and look, it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful heart-shaped flower. First, cut the heart shape from this paper. We are going to cut 4 such hearts like this of similar shape. Now we are going to cut a circle from this yellow craft paper and draw its eyes and smiley face. Now paste all of them together. Now we are folding this green craft paper, cut the leaf like this, fold it as well, and paste all of them together on the green stick, and look, your flower is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.